Hey guys! In this video, first off, I just want to remind you that all of math is just made up. It's made up the same way that we made up unicorns and vampires. It's just made up. That's what it is, right? So, when you're learning about these things, it's not some crazy abstract thing that you just couldn't possibly understand. It's not some big, huge idea. It's just like a thing that people, they just sort of looked around the world and they were like, let me understand some part of the world a little bit better, right? So, for example, at some point, in the past, some people were like, gee, I have this triangle-shaped piece of land and then this other triangle-shaped piece of land. I really wish that I could prove that these two pieces of land that are shaped like triangles are the same size. Well, okay, maybe they didn't say it exactly like that, but you get my point, right? So here's the idea. Sometime in the past, some people looking around, they're like, oh, here's like a triangle, here's another triangle. I want to see if these two triangles kind of match, right? We're trying to figure out how to do that, and one of the ways that they came up with was something called the side-side-side postulate, or SSS, right? Side-side-side postulate. What's the idea here? We got one side, we got a second side, we got a third side. So, if you have three sides, then you can prove side-side-side postulate, or you can use the side-side-side postulate. What does that mean? Remember when we looked at this video about Fred stealing our cookies and we're trying to prove that Fred stole our cookies? We need reasons to be able to prove it, right? So we came up with, we had these reasons of some of the crumbs in there and the footprints and all that stuff. Side-side-side is going to be one of our reasons. So we're going to use this in Geometry Bunch. How do we use it? It's basically, this is the idea. If you kind of look at this thing and you say, oh, look, this line is 3, and then this line over here is also 3. And then I measured this line's 4, and I measured this one's also 4, and then this one, it turned out to be 5, this one turned out also to be 5. Basically what you can say then is like, okay, cool, well, this line equals this line over here equals this line over here, and this line here equals this line here. And because of that, I know that these two triangles have to be totally congruent, right? They're definitely congruent. That's our idea. That's what we've got going on. So, we're going to use this one. Remember, you have to have three sides to use this one. Let's practice.